Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another ARTlapse. On this week's ARTlapse, I'm designing the next card of the Major Arcana for my tarot card painting series, which is the Magician. As I venture out on this brand new project of designing my very own tarot card deck based in the world of Magican, my webcomic. And if you aren't familiar with Magican, simply put, is about magic, cats, and friendship. Lavender Lovecraft is a young human witch studying under a kooky crazy cat, Cinny Winnie, in the cat kingdom known as Grimalkin Woods. Follow their adventures as they discover the secrets of the land of Cha, the beliefs behind each kingdom, and escape the clutches of eternal night. We just past page 54 on the webcomic, and if you're interested in tuning in, go to www.magicatscomic.com to make sure you don't miss the next update. So, on today, we're designing the Magician, and when I was considering the different characters and assigning them to the different cards of like, okay, who's going to be on this card, who's going to be on that card, well, of course, when the Magician came up, I had to put Magic down. His name is in the card. It just seemed too perfect. And Magic is this black cat in Magicats who will be making his minor introduction soon and his major one later on. But he's this magical cat, and he has no memory of who he was or how he came to Grimalkin Woods, but he loves and idolizes and adores magic, and at first isn't very good at it, so he decides to name himself Magic, and that's how he got his name, which in this world might not be that original, but hey. And Magic is actually based on my real life cat that Jeremy and I own, Magic. And he's this big panther boy, and just like his personality in the comic, he's gonna be rambunctious, curious, scared, even though he's a big guy, scaredy cat, and just infinitely curious and stirring up trouble and getting into things he shouldn't be getting into, but hey, he's getting into them. So I'm really excited to have him on. And on his table, he has the 4 different symbols for the suits. So like in tarot cards, there's the wands, the cups, the pentacles, and swords. But in my deck, since each of the different suits are going to represent each of the different 4 kingdoms, for wands, we got cat wands for Grimalkin Woods, the cat kingdom. For cups, I have meditation singing bowls for the dragon kingdom. Instead of pentacles, I have stars for the Yaga kingdom. And for humans, I have weapons in general, not exclusively swords, for the humans. So he's got his magical rainbow cat wand toy, and he is the master of his own universe as he has all the suits laid out in front of him, infinite power at his fingertips. He realizes he's the creator of his universe, and he's got this. So don't forget to tune in to www.magicatscomic.com and follow along. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want to see more, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and bell notification to make sure you don't miss an update. And remember, you're magical, so shine on!